If you're a CEO, finance director, or accountancy partner still manually downloading invoice emails from Gmail and keying in every line item into Xero, you're burning hours every week that should be spent on strategic work. Imagine an invoice lands in your inbox. 20 seconds later, it's in Xero, fully keyed in, all the line items, everything correctly mapped with VAT codes, chart of accounts, PDF attached. I'm going to show you the exact system that we built. And the best part is that you can do this across multiple clients. And I'm going to share this with you so you don't have to build this out yourself. Here's what the old way looks like. Your team downloads PDFs, opens Xero, creates a new bill, types in the supplier name, copies the invoice number, keys in each line item, assigns account codes, checks VAT rates, uploads the PDF, and repeats this like 50 times a day. The new way, the email arrives, n8n immediately picks it up, automation reads it, even if the invoice is just HTML text in the email body, no PDF, it extracts every field, routes it to the correct Xero account if you're managing multiple clients, or if it's just your own company, then it sends straight to your account. And it posts the bill with full line item breakdown, labels the email so you've got an audit trail, and keeps everything compliant. Let me walk you through how this actually works. We're using a platform called n8n that is open source automation platform that you can host on your own server. Total control, no third party holding your data hostage. So you're busy. You're processing hundreds, maybe thousands of invoices, and you just want this installed in a secure way that's compliant with all the laws and regulations. You want it basically running by the end of the week. If this is the case, just let us know and we can help you with implementation, no problem. So let's look at some of the invoices that we've just ran as a test to see how this thing works. So the first one was from a company called TextMagic, and it's a PDF that has come with the email. It got picked up by the Gmail node. It figured out that this email has an actual invoice attached, and then it sent it over to the sub workflow. And as a result, we got this beautiful invoice pasted into Xero. You can see here that it found the correct account for it, applied the correct VAT rate, and all we need to do is click approve. So there's still that human touch, and this way we can make sure that the AI isn't just doing its own thing in the background, potentially making errors. You have full control over making sure that everything's actually posted in correctly. Here we have another invoice from GoDaddy, and here you can see that there's no PDF. It's just an email. So in this case, the automation actually took a screenshot of the whole email and it used that to process it. And this way we don't have to rely on emails having to have PDF attachments. Now let's look at another example. So here we have a invoice in US dollars. As soon as we found out that this invoice is in the currency that's not supported by the Xero account, we actually ran a currency exchange. Instead of using dollars, since the account that we're demoing this on only has British pounds enabled, and it ran an exchange calculation for the exact date of the invoice to exchange the dollars into pounds. And you can also see that reverse charge was applied as correctly identified here on the invoice itself. So it didn't miss a thing, and the invoice is correctly posted into Xero. If you would like us to set up this automation for your company so that you never have to worry about posting invoices from one place to another place, and all of this just running seamlessly on autopilot, and all you have to do is just look at what it's done, compare it with the PDF that it has extracted, and click approve, send us an email so that we can set this up for you. So the first node here is Gmail trigger. It can also be set up to use Outlook if you'd like to use that instead. And what it's going to do is it's going to pick up all of the emails that go into that inbox. The step 2 is the AI extraction. We're using Google Gemini here to basically quickly extract all of the information from the email. It can be PDF attachment, it can be multiple PDFs. Once the email is extracted, it will make sure that this email actually contains an invoice, and then it will send all of the data to either your own account or to your client account. As you can see here, we have multiple options here, so you can plug in multiple clients and run this for them. The step 2 is the AI extraction. We're using Google Gemini here. It will read the document, pull out the vendor name, invoice number, date, currency, every line item, and then it will map it to your own chart of accounts based on your custom rules that you set in this node in here. If it's a foreign currency invoice, it will calculate the exchange rate, the transaction date, and convert it so that all of this can go into your account seamlessly. Step 3 is posting to Xero. The system will search for the supplier by email and name. If they don't exist, it will create them. It will check for duplicates to make sure there are no duplicate invoices. If one already exists with matching totals, it will flag it and stop it. If not, it will create a bill, upload a PDF, and update an audit trail database with AI confidence scores and currency exchange rates. Then it will label everything in Gmail or Outlook so that you know it's processed and it's easy for you to track what's going on.